Let's take a look at some funny sounds in Thai. Practice these and you'll sound more like a native Thai speaker. The first word is I'm spelling this with ER, but you really don't roll your tongue for the R. This is a very informal way of agreeing with someone, acknowledging something, or saying yes.
Are you going home?
Hey. This is our version of, wait, what? There's an element of disbelief in there. Hey, did you really do that? Oh ho. That's our version of, wow. Oh ho, look at that car.